Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. Today we're talking about Tesla insurance and what does Tesla insurance cost? And if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, is Tesla insurance the best option for you? And just so you know, I don't have a Tesla, so I can't say personally that this has been an experience for me. I have to live vicariously through people who have Teslas. I've test driven them, they're very cool. They're great cars, and I'd love to have one, but I don't have one. So I'm going to give you my information based on what I've learned as an insurance broker and what I know about Tesla's overall business model and how that may impact you as a buyer or owner of a Tesla or would-be owner of a Tesla. So the first thing is the dollars associated with your annual premiums for Tesla insurance. And then the second and third factors are the technology within every Tesla and the total cost of ownership of the Tesla over time. So the first thing is the dollars that you're going to pay in premium. Now, I've seen premiums for Teslas from multiple insurance carriers, anywhere from $2,000 to $7,000 per year for your insurance for your auto coverage, and that includes collision, comprehensive, and liability insurance. And you have to keep in mind that everybody is different. So insurance is not a commodity. So your situation may be very different than mine or somebody else's. And there are other factors involved, including the limits of insurance that you have, your deductible, your driving record, your driving history, and things like that, that all go into other insurance carriers and how they value your insurance premiums or what they determine in calculating your annual insurance quotes. And that brings us to the advantages that I think Tesla has in providing its insurance program and why I believe that long term, Tesla may be the best choice for many people who own Teslas, maybe the least expensive option in terms of the cost of Tesla insurance compared to other insurance companies. Now, the first is technology. Now, every Tesla has some of the most advanced safety and self-driving technology available in any vehicle. And this is why Tesla sells 10 times or 20 times more vehicles than any other auto manufacturer out there. They just had a head start. They are building not only great electric vehicles, but they're also aiming to provide full self-driving or autopilot systems to all of their vehicles. Whether you have it enabled or not, these vehicles all have the technology capability to do what they call full self-driving or autopilot. And because of that technology, every Tesla has multiple cameras, accelerometers, proximity sensors. It tracks the speed, braking, turning, anything related to your location, how quickly you're driving, the road conditions, proximity to other vehicles. All these things go back and then inform Tesla in terms of its ability to provide an insurance policy for you as a driver, specifically tailored for you. And this, on a recent earnings call, Elon Musk said as much. He said that this data that they're providing through their insurance program to their internal programs, they can use that data to actually make changes to the vehicles themselves when they're manufacturing them to help reduce the cost of repairs for the Teslas themselves. And so that, again, is like a positive feedback loop for any Tesla owner who has Tesla insurance, and for Tesla itself in terms of being a profitable company. They can use that and reduce the cost of the insurance and reduce the cost of repairs for you, also trying to turn around your vehicles in the event of a repair and have you back on the road as quickly as possible. So that's the first thing, is the technology is more advanced and Tesla has access to that unlike any other insurance company. Geico doesn't have it, State Farm doesn't have it, Farmers doesn't have it, USAA doesn't have it. None of these companies have this information. And the second thing is the total cost of ownership. And on the earnings call, Elon Musk basically said that his goal is to reduce the total cost of ownership of owning a Tesla compared to comparable vehicles when you look at that total cost. And insurance is one factor in the total cost of ownership. The other factors involved, the largest of which is the initial purchase price of a vehicle. So when you compare total cost of ownership of a Tesla, you have to compare it to another comparably priced vehicle like The Kelly Blue Book recently reported that Tesla Model 3 was one of the lowest cost of ownership vehicles compared to, say, like a Volvo S90 or an Audi TT. And the factors that go into the total cost of ownership are things like your fuel costs, whether it's energy or gasoline, or electricity or gasoline, insurance, repairs, maintenance, depreciation, financing, and all those go into the total cost of ownership. But Tesla wants to reduce that TCO over time for its drivers by more than the other comparable cars out there. And so, combined with technology and the feedback loop that Tesla has by having access to all the driving data, suggests, I think, to me that over time, for most people, Tesla will be the best option for insurance. Now, right now, Tesla insurance is only available in 12 states, but as they roll it out into more states and they get approval from more state insurance commissioners, it should enable them to, again, collect more and more data and hopefully drive that back into their ability to reduce costs, because it only benefits Tesla if people are talking about how much money they saved on their insurance from using Tesla insurance. So anyway, that's it. If you have questions about your insurance, you can schedule an appointment with me below this at the link below this video. Thanks again for watching. I hope you found this interesting and useful. And if you like this video, please like it on YouTube or subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thanks again and have a great day.